So big congratulations on getting to the end of this course. I really do hope you've enjoyed it and learned many things from it. You've covered quite a lot in this course. We began with JavaScript basics and understanding things such as variables, strings, and arrays. We also looked at other fundamentals such as JavaScript functions, scope and objects. And then we moved on to looking at math and dates and how they are used in JavaScript. We then stepped things up a little and we took a look at control flow and loops, which involve many statements such as switch statements and various different types of loops. We then introduced you to JavaScript and the DOM, and we took a look at how we can access elements on a web page and how we can manipulate them elements. And we completed various mini challenges along the way to test your skills. And I really hope you managed to come up with something creative for the final project. So that's it. So that's the end of the course. Thank you very much. If you enjoyed it, please do leave a review. It would really help other students. And hopefully I'll see you soon in one of my other courses.